Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And it's a Friday evening in Kenya, and I actually take my Jamaican sister to the market. So I'm just going to show you, you know what I mean, what it's like in the market. This is the place I normally shop. So now I'm going to take my Jamaican sister to actually, you know what I mean, for some market shopping. Just to let you guys know that when you come to Kenya, these are some of the services you will get from Jam Tours when you come until you get to know the place. But you're in a foreign country, you don't know nowhere, and you don't want to get scammed, so Jam Tours can help you. So, you know what I mean? Yeah. Eh? Oh, yeah, man, up here, sir. Oh, what's it, yes, sir? Oh, yes, sir. No. Okay, sir, yeah. Right, so. Yeah, family. So, you know what I mean? We just want to let you know that when you come, these are the things that we actually, you know what I mean, show you and stuff. So, this is our lady we normally buy from this lady right here. She has some nice papaya. So, our Jamaican sister wants some papaya. Planting, bombo, blade, cleat, look at them here. Big.
Jamaican planting.
So Jamaica planting long?
Jamaica big someone.
Kaka.
You're lucky to get small sucker.
I want to buy some of this. Who responsible?
The guy is called.
Oh. Oh, this guy?
No, next porridge. One alone can get porridge.
Planting porridge.
Right now, I'm in a restaurant and then the plant I buy.
Yeah.
The person sells.
Yeah, man.
You check it out.
What I honestly feel like Kenyan experience.
How much? No, not all of it.
Yeah, Kenyan experience press planting.
And then you don't plant the porridge either. Crispy, right?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Love that. Yeah. Yeah, family.
You need the one who's
Yeah,
we are selling per kilo.
Per kilo?
Yeah.
How much per kilo?
How much per kilo?
170.
No
No more.
more.
150, 150.
160.
Alright, I'm saying 160. Go on to 160.
150.
We weigh all.
150.
We weigh all.
All? It's a monkey. It's a catch a monkey.
Oh. Oh, it's one.
Same line.
We weigh all.
No, give me like 3.
3 kg.
No, give me 2 kg. Let me see what 2 kg is like.
2 kg. Yeah, family, so we're at the market today. And we have to negotiate and negotiate.
I can't think.
You know, how the thing go. Yeah, family, so them planting are real big.
Real planting. You fry and press that.
Yeah.
I don't want 1 kg for myself.
Oh, okay.
I'm afraid I'll press it.
Press it out.
No. When you sell a plant, we don't want this can't eat. So cut off, so you the plant only. Let's try it.
Like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that will go up on the scale too.
Yeah, you don't want to put that can't eat. Well, what can eat? No, watch the scale. Sorry. You can't cook.
As they get now some green planting. In the show, Mary how to cook this green planting. Charlotte's been trying ripe planting. No. Alright, family, continue watching this vlog, like, share, and comment.
No. When you press it.
I have one.
That bag? Okay. Alright.
If you watch the close
Yeah.
Papaya, nice. Avocado, there's avocado too. Alright family, continue watching this vlog while we
Yeah,
Wbesite.
Jamaican restaurant.
There is a Jamaican restaurant in Jamlo?
Yeah.
Wow, wow.
We came from Jamaica.
You coming from Jamaica? Wow, Kingston. You're coming from Kingston?
Yeah, Kingston.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow, nice one, nice one. Pleasure,
Big up
welcome.
yourself and big up
Big
Jamaica on the camera.
Yeah, big up Jamaica, all Jamaica.
yeah.
This is your family. Welcome
Yeah,
to
man.
Africa.
Yeah, man.
Home and abroad.
Yes.
Africa for Africans.
Yeah man, for
Yeah.
sure, for sure.
Wow, nice one.
Yeah man, our black brothers and sisters in Jamaica would love to see this.
Yeah,
See
yeah.
that there, you know what I mean? Yeah,
You
yeah.
come to Africa, man. This
Yeah.
is your homeland. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, feel at home.
So you guys,
Yeah,
you hear
yeah.
that? You hear that guys?
You are most welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah. Feel at home, man.
Yeah man,
Rasta.
respect. One
Respect,
love.
man. Respect. Thank you
One
so
love.
much.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
one love.
Yeah man, take care.
Yeah.
For the back.
So you're saying Jamlo, there's a Jamaican restaurant?
Yeah, Jamaican restaurant.
We can get the porridge from
Just
plantain.
go there and ask for Ricardo.
Ricardo.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'll come to make the porridge for you.
Wow.
I have to make it for you.
Wow.
Maybe
bless you.
she
Thank
take-
you so much.
yeah.
And me, I'll make up. Nini, I'll come with the.
Should take his number. Take his number, Ricardo.
Take my number. Take my number.
No, take his number.
This,
Yeah, come with this.
this or the yellow one.
Put him number here so slow.
Take my number. What's the number?
079.
Oh, I'll show you how we make the real Jamaican porridge
Wow.
when you come at the restaurant.
Wow.
Creamy, nice, delicious.
Yeah, thank you so
Let's
much.
wait, man.
I'll feel at home.
Yeah,
I'll
if you
feel in
don't-
Jamaica.
next
I wanted to
Jamaican
visit.
restaurant.
I wanted to visit Kingston. But
Kingston.
now I'll visit Kingston in your place.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, for real.
Kingston, home and abroad.
Welcome, man.
Yeah, man.
Sana.
Asante sana.
Yeah.
Enjoy your stay.
Yeah man, we will.
One love,
Yeah.
one love.
Yeah.
Okay, you'll flash me? I'll get you. You'll get it.
Yeah, let me get your number,
I
yeah.
remember the days in
Yo, where's the plantain?
There's a plantain. Oh, okay. For mama. Okay, differentiate.
And this one,
How much are you selling this in
We call that sweet sap.
This Kalasis.
But this one is the first time seeing them big like this.
Yeah, even me, yeah, no seen
Big
the
sweet sap.
Yeah, no seen the big
Yeah,
one.
man. Yo, look on this, Ravish.
Which one is
That's it.
right? How much?
Big.
150 per kilo.
I never see a sweet sap this big.
that's so sweet.
So sweet.
This
huh?
one is, it can't be organic. Hey,
This one is hybrid.
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 yeah. I never see them like that before.
hybrid.
They're always the size of
Small,
this.
yeah.
Yeah. I never see them that
Yeah.
big. That's like a
This
mini
is like,
pumpkin.
yeah, I think, yeah. Sawa.
Yeah, family, so we're getting some sweet sap. What's your slogan?
Pumpkin seed,
Yeah.
coated with honey.
Yeah.
My body's thing. The honey is healthy for you, and the pumpkin seed itself is healthy for you.
Yeah, man.
What's that, peanut? What's that? No, peanut. You're eating peanut. It's good.
Yeah. I'll find some nice sour sap up there. You can come look and choose the one you want.
What you want? This one is dry. This one is good. That's the one I mean. Oily. One, two. Another one. One quite small. Sure. It's like a mercy. This tree's okay. This tree's okay. Come on, this tree's okay. It says 74, the big one. 2751.
Brought them now? boy, yo. I drink the water slogan.
Water should always full.
Water, drink up water. Ja water.
No, it-
Lord, whole heap of water in it too, you know. Whole heap of water.
wanna dry it a little bad. Whole for water is a water. It's a water.
Yeah, you coconut water.
What is what like this?
Go at the top.
And water?
I'll make you sample some more.
Dry it in the oily.
I'm not dry yet, man. I'm not dry yet.
It's dry.
Brown. Eh? Yeah,
Let me show you the dry one then.
No, man, we are talking about.
The one that
When
dry.
it brown, Abba, when it brown.
Yeah, when it brown, brown. It's
Brown.
When you look, when you look
It's still dry now, but it's not really dry.
Right. So you look rust, like rusty iron. That one the dry. The one dry.
All right, family, let's go and get some soursop. Soursop. Juice in my back. Yeah, family. So, you know what I mean? This is some soursop.
You can't make them like this. Juice and serious.
When it once it fit.
Once it fit.
So it tastes.
Peel it.
I never tried that yet.
Peel it.
Have a peel it, take out the seed. Bumbo. Yeah, but them look fit still in Ava.
Just like sauce.
Ready.
It not look so, but then look fit.
Alright, is this sauce up true juice in Jamaica?
Yeah, so they make it
You make from there.
green.
Make it red. Just like this.
But when,
Go in there, machine.
but I know that when they make it like this, it may be served longer.
So what about the seed when they blend it?
Blend it.
Have to take out the seed.
Blend it, but big one person a machine that have the factory. So you know, you have to pick out the seed all times.
Yeah.
All the power can buy it. We can buy it and put it on, because they wrap it up quickly and open.
How much for per kilo? 150.
Alright, you see like you know, you can buy it, you can wrap it on paper until you open.
To make it ripe.
Just tell me.
But normally I buy it and just put it down 2 days and it ripe.
At least 2 days.
There's another place down the server. At the end. Maybe we have good one too.
Limelight.
Limelight. Yeah, family. So we there, and we there in the market. Pass pumpkin seed. Fine, man. Let me have like, I normally buy them thing I have, but I don't know if you eat it. Pumpkin seed. Yeah, this one, pumpkin.
Pumpkin seeds.
Yeah.
Ah, nice.
Which one? That flavor one?
One of them coated with honey.
Yeah, man, that one is nice, you know. Take him some one time.
Yeah.
Book a little geranium.
How many?
I have like no, I don't want so much.
Plantain tartar.
I have like 3 pieces.
3 pieces.
You know my price is 70, right?
80 like last time.
80. Let me have 3 pieces.
Murder shrub. What's it?
Very nice.
What for the mushroom? Here, I'll buy one.
Buy one. Give me 3.
Okay. How much for mushroom?
For
Police mushroom. What's for? Yeah. No man, that's yeah, this one one. No, this one can't be told you. I just buy mushroom from here.
07
Week last week for 150.
07
Yeah, same one like this. I have a video.
6
This is
6
oyster mushroom.
and 812.
Give me now. Yeah, come over there in a minute. Two young guys. 150. Thank you.
3.
Mushroom? No, it's not mine.
Yeah, family. So we get some my favorite dish, pumpkin seed. Yeah, family. So we get some soursop leaf.
How much?
100 bob. Soursop leaf. Let me go and check if that man have nice soursop in the meantime.
Jackfruit. If I say jackfruit, I mean
Jackfruit the same place. Alright family, let's see if we find some soursop at the next spot. Let's run through the market and see what I want.
Temperature measure.
Yes. Let me take your tip. Alright family, let's go.
Get some condensed milk. Sweet, sweet. Yeah, man.
Yeah family, so we're there and we get some
Huh?
smoke
I
and
was
see your
telling
fridge.
him about it. No, I don't want. I was telling him about it.
My friend.
Hey, my artist. What's up? Yeah, I remember. Masai. Mrs. Masani.
Yeah, man.
Sani.
You're the artist.
Yeah.
This is the Parkland artist.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man, big up my brother, big up. Yeah man, big up.
Something new.
What's
New song?
I'm
New
coming.
song?
Yes. Something good and nice one.
Nice already?
I'm coming right
Okay,
now.
then, cool.
Right now, ready.
Ready. Yeah, tayari. Your cousin?
Oh, your cousin.
All is good? I like what I want, man. So you decide the music? Yeah. You don't know the music, man. You do music? Yeah, roots and culture.
Roots and culture, give me something
Do
man.
something. See camera there. Roots and culture.
Looking at the camera and give me something.
Yeah. Sing something. Sing. Roots and culture. Sing something.
Man, you know.
Yeah, wait.
How you doing?
Go ahead. Let one chance you have. Make me stop it.
I am a living dread in a desert town. I'm a living
Dread.
Yeah.
Pan-Africanism.
No, see, what are you stop for? Continue.
one.
No, continue. You're living dread in this town. You're living
Dead.
dread. Yeah, continue.
Yeah, let's continue. You know, just
Freestyle.
Freestyle.
Yeah. In this town, man, I live
Live in
in dread.
dread.
Babylon wall, the man go cut them head.
head.
In this town, man, I live in dread. Babylon wall, the man go cut them head.
Yeah.
What? Down a Parkland?
Jamaica you are.
Yo, you cut this song, you're not ready yet, man. You cut this song, you're not ready. Give me that. Hey, that guy into it?
Yeah man, big up man. Yeah man.
Which part of Jamaica you are?
I'm from Sentan.
Santa.
You know Sentan?
Yeah, we're gonna come to Jamaica one day.
You're gonna come to Jamaica one day, yeah man.
Sure.
That's how we always say in Jamaica, we're gonna come to
Welcome,
Africa
man.
one day.
Yeah. You know, before we come here, we used to see the same thing.
Yeah, we're coming to
One day
Africa.
we're coming to Africa.
Yeah, the same thing we
That's
say.
how we do.
Yeah, like, yeah.
Jamaica, the fatherland.
Yeah.
Let's link up together and stay strong. Together we're one.
Yeah.
Pocomoja.
To
Yes,
Kupa
I.
Moja. Yeah, man, respect my brother, man.
Living dread.
All the best. Jah guidance. Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, family, so we're there at the market, and as you can see,
Dark.
the love for Jamaica is tall up, way up, and stay up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, dog.
It's
So,
dark right now because at night. And you say, our time now evening, let me see.
yeah. Our Jamaican sister getting some jackfruit, beating out the stain.
I'll get the fruit and left the jack.
They say we not take jack.
You know I take jack. But jack I got, we don't know him. I take the fruit.
Alright, Thomas, so let me run up the coconut water for you then, right? How much bottle of coconut water you want? Which I gotta tell them for them line it up. 6. Alright, we get some coconut water. Tell the man to line it up because it take a while. So let's go guys to get some coconut water for our Jamaican sister family. Let's go. Yeah, we did. Yeah, so then. So what's up, leaf? So what's up, tree?
Orange
This
tree.
one jackfruit
Orange tree. Oh, this is jackfruit.
tree.
Exactly. You don't know which one we can plant this for.
Yeah, family. So we finished with the market and now.
Papaya tree.
We only need to get the
You get the fruit banana.
tomato, eh?
Is it?
I know, it's orange, I know that. This is a pomegranate. Yeah.
Pomegranate.
I know my trees.
Il est planté.
Yeah.
Monsieur planting.
Tomato.
Planting.
She don't know.
Tomato.
Like that. Minimum price.
How much you say per kilo?
90 is okay?
90.
How about 80?
90.
Well, it depends on what you want.
Alright, family, so that's the end of this vlog. I get some soursop leaf, and we're actually boil this as tea. And you know what I mean? So soursop leaf. So alright, family, let's go. One love, God bless. Continue watching this vlog, like, share, comment. We are out. One love, God bless, Jamaica.